Want your quiz or calculator to match your brand perfectly? Let's explore how Outgrow's theme settings help you customize colors, fonts, and buttons in just a few clicks. Start by logging into Outgrow and heading to your dashboard. Choose a quiz, calculator, or assessment. You can start from scratch or use one of the ready-to-use pre-made templates. Now let's customize your design in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Add colors. Go to Design and update your background, questions, answers, and component colors to reflect your brand. You'll see changes updated instantly. Step 2. Add fonts. Choose from a variety of font styles and adjust the size to match your brand's tone and personality. Step 3. Add buttons. Customize your buttons by changing size and style to make them stand out. Once you're done, preview your design on desktop, tablet, or mobile. When it looks perfect, hit Live button, and your interactive content is now fully branded and ready to share. With Outgrow's theme settings, you can go from plain to perfectly unbanked in minutes. Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start building today.